Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter first from English grammar book. So children, open chapter first. The alphabetical order. Read out these names in the order in which they appear. Alice, Batsman, Cinderella, Duffy, Elizabeth, Flaubert, Goofy, Harry, Indiana, Zary, Ka. The first letter of each of these words follows the order of the English alphabet. Today we are going to read about alphabetical order. What are alphabetical order? Alphabetical order क्या होता है? अल्फ़ाबेट के क्रम में लिखना. What comes first? A, B, C, D, E, after that F, G, H, I, J and K. Now you can see the first letter of each of these words follows the order of the English alphabet. इनके first letter जो हैं वो किससे लिखे गए हैं? Alphabetical order में लिखे गए हैं. The order in which the letters of the alphabet appear is called the alphabetical order. Alphabetical means arranged according to the normal order of the letters in the alphabet. Alphabet ABC के क्रम में letters को लिखना ही alphabetical order कहलाता है. Now see, label these animals, arrange and number them in alphabetical order. Zebra. Can you see these pictures? First of all, you will write the name of these pictures. Lion, deer, peacock, kangaroo, cow, fish, octopus and giraffe. Now you will write the pictures in alphabetical order. First of all, what will come? A. From A, no word is here. From B, no word is here. No. From C, C-O-W, cow. C has come here. Number 1 you will write here. After D, 2 number you will write here. E is not here. F, number 3 you will write here. G, H, G number is here. You will write here 4. H, from H, no word has started here. I, J, K, kangaroo has started. Now number 5 will come here, 6 will come here and 7, O will come here. After that P comes. That's why here you will write 8 number. And last is zebra. Number 9 you will write here. Now see on page number 2. Sort these words in the alphabetical order. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. In alphabetical order, you will write the correct numbers in front of the words. Now see, number 1, abacus. Number 1 will come here and number 2, Andes. Now see one thing more, children. A has come here and A has come in this word. What will come before and after? Here is A. A is same, but you will see the second letter B, and here is N. What comes before? B comes before or N comes before? Definitely B comes before. That's why you will write here 1, and here you will write 2 number. Now 3 number. From G, 3 letters have started. Gandhi, Goblin and Gangtok. अब इनमें से थर्ड नंबर पे क्या आएगा? See the first letter G. G is same in 3 letters, but see the second letter A. Here is a A. Here is also A. Now 3 letters are same, and here is O. O बाद में आएगा. Leave it now. Now you will see what will come before. Gangtok पहले आएगा या गांधी आएगा? 3 letters are same. Now you will see the fourth letter D is here and here is G. तो डी पहले आता है या फिर जी पहले आता है? व्हाट विल कम बिफोर? डी विल कम बिफोर. दैट्स व्हाई यू विल राइट हियर 3 number and 4 number you will write here and 5 number will write here because O is here. O comes after A. A के बाद में O आता है, A पहले आता है, तो इसीलिए आप इस यहाँ पे 5 number लिखोगे. Number 6 you will write here because it has started from R. After that S. 7 number you will write here and 8 number you will write here. Taranchula. Now see 3 letters have started from T. Train, Tarantula and Sesabi. So that's why see here is S. After T here is S. ये बाद में आएगा. And here is R and here is A. A will come first. That's why you will write here 8 number and 9 number you will write here and S comes after R. R के बाद आता है S, तो इसीलिए आप यहाँ पे 10 number लिखोगे. Next is, can you read this secret message? The writer has replaced every letter with the one following it. राइटर ने हर एक लेटर को रिप्लेस किया है. कैसे रिप्लेस किया है? A is written as B. A को राइटर ने B लिखा है, B को C लिखा है, C को D लिखा है. इसी तरह उसने एक एक लेटर को रिप्लेस किया है. तो हमने देखना है Z के पहले क्या आता है? Y. हमने उन्हें सही क्रम में लिख के देखना है कि इससे कौन सा सेंटेंस बनता है. बिफोर Z व्हाट विल कम? Y. F से पहले E, T से पहले S. दिस इज yes. एंड बिफोर J व्हाट विल कम? I. एंड S से पहले क्या आता है? R. बिफोर F व्हाट विल कम? E. बिफोर B व्हाट विल कम? A. एंड बिफोर E व्हाट विल कम? D. आपने इसी ऑर्डर में इन लेटर्स से पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है उन लेटर्स को लिखना है. आफ्टर दैट इट विल मेक yes I read the secret message. ये क्या सेंटेंस बनेगा? yes I read the secret message. Now your work is completed till page number 2. Okay, thank you.